Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini Video AI. This powerful tool is designed to simplify your video creation journey, allowing you to produce high-quality content with remarkable efficiency. Whether you are a seasoned professional or just starting out, Gemini Video AI provides intuitive features to transform your ideas into compelling visual stories. It helps you manage everything from initial concept development to the final polished video, saving you valuable time and effort. Gemini Video AI boasts several core features to enhance your workflow. You can leverage its artificial intelligence to automatically generate compelling scripts and detailed storyboards, giving you a solid foundation. Furthermore, it offers access to a vast, integrated library containing thousands of stock footage clips and a wide selection of background music. Customization is key, allowing you to easily adjust video styles, transitions, and even add professional voiceovers to match your brand. Getting started with Gemini Video AI is straightforward. First, clearly define your video's purpose and who your target audience is. This guides the AI. Next, you can either upload your own media assets, such as images or video clips, or choose from the extensive integrated asset library. Then, let the AI assist you by generating initial script drafts and suggesting visual elements. You can then refine these suggestions to perfectly align with your creative vision. To maximize your results with Gemini Video AI, remember a few key tips. Always strive for clear and concise messaging in your videos. This ensures your audience remains engaged from start to finish. Don't hesitate to experiment with the various AI-generated styles and templates available to discover a unique visual voice for your content. Finally, always review and meticulously edit the AI's output to ensure it perfectly aligns with your specific brand and creative vision.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.